Okay, I'll show you first how we can insert or import a CAD file in Revit. So I am bringing one sitemap, an AutoCAD sitemap into Revit. So I'll go to Insert tab and I'm on site plan mode, and level 1 is also fine. So I click on Import CAD and it will take me to my file explorer where I do have my CAD site. So I will choose this one and it shows me the preview here, and there are a couple of options or settings. So colors, and I will keep the preserve. So I want to keep the colors as it is from the CAD file. I'm not so there is also black and white option. There is also invert color options, but I'm keeping it preserved. Layers, there is like if I choose all, then it will take all the layers that the CAD file has. So, but I will just select the visible. So then what are the layers are visible in that drawing? It will bring those. The units, it will auto detect. By the way, my Revit file is Imperial and my AutoCAD file, the site file is metric, and I will show you how we can adjust the drawing and how we can also scale it into proper drawing size. So there is next is that positioning, and there are a couple of options, manual and auto options. There are the auto center to center, auto origin to origin, manual origin, and manual center. So manual, like we can just click and it will place on the center. So that's what I am keeping for now is manual center, and it will place at level 1. Orient to view is fine. Now if I click on OK, open, and you see it brings or it comes to my Revit file, and I'll just click manually wherever I want to set it. So I'll just put over there, and this is my CAD file. If I go to 3D view, you will see that it will show the CAD file. I may need to do zoom in a little bit, but let's just go to the side plan view. And now the my AutoCAD site is here, but you will see that if I measure, see, let's do the measurement, just take one of them as my reference, and if I measure, you will see here it is very small, 9 something inches, whereas my actual AutoCAD drawing, if I open the AutoCAD file, you will see that it is kind of 9.4321 meters. And when I call it 9.4321 meters, I just did a little bit of metric to imperial conversion, and you will see that now the 9.4321 meters is equivalent to 30.94521 feet. So I need that. Now if I go back to my Revit file, what I will do now is I will scale it and adjust the scale and the size with the proper size. So actual size, this line would be 30.94 feet, whereas now it is showing just a couple of inches, right? So now I have to enlarge this AutoCAD drawing. And to do that, the very first thing is I will draw a line that is equivalent to my original size, right? 30 feet, 30.94 feet, which I got converting into this 9.4321 meter. As I mentioned before at the beginning, that my AutoCAD file is in metric unit, but my Revit, I am doing it, inserting it in an imperial unit file. So 9.4321 meters equivalent to 30.94 feet. Now I'll draw a line 30.94 feet here. And how I'll do that, I'll go to Architecture tab with the model line. From here, just leaving my mouse, I type 90 point, sorry, it was 30.94521 feet. Enter. You see here, enter again. So that is my actual 30 feet line. Now I will adjust my whole drawing in terms of this line. This is my reference lines. Okay, so now I'll go to modify, and there is that scale under this modify tab. I click on the modify and select this, right click, finish selection. Now what I will do is 3 clicks. First click is the original point. The second click is that the firelight, that second point of this original drawing. The third point would be my actual end point of my 30 feet line. Okay, so let's do that. Click, second click here, and then the third click is here. And right away it enlarged my drawing. Now let's verify it. Now if I go there and measure from here to here, you see it is exactly 30.94521 feet, which is equivalent to 30 feet 11 over 32 inches, right? So that's why we properly scale our imported CAD file. And now it is in imperial drawing. It is equivalent to my that AutoCAD drawing. Okay, so that's how we scale it. Maybe smaller, or we can make it smaller, we can enlarge it.